Here I have LARK Evolution X4 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. So wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as LARK logo pops up in front of you, and let's just wait for the Android system recovery. And that's right, this is the recovery mode. Here you can read about the software information. You may navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can reboot the bootloader. You may try to update your device from ADB. You may also apply update by using the micro SD card. You can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You may also select wipe cache partition. You can see the mount and system info, view recovery logs, or simply power off the device. So if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose this option, power off, or the first one, which is reboot system now. Let me do it. Let's press power key to confirm it, and right now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. So let's just wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Alright, now you can unlock the screen and start using your LARK tablet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.